What's going on, you guys? Chandler come back at you from Easy Stock here, and today we're gonna be going over the top 3 best stocks to buy today right now. Before I get into the list of my top 3 stocks to buy today, just that reminder, always do your own research. These are just listing out the 3 best stocks in my opinion that I find the best right now, so let's get right into it. Alright guys, so our first stock here we got is Nerve. So this is a pharmaceutical company. If you guys don't know much about it, it's one of those kind of low-key awesome stocks. It just had a huge dip here these past couple days, and that's because one of their products actually failed a clinical trial. And you see it dropped all the way down to about $2 there, made a short little rebound here, and we're expecting it to continue to go up as it goes in because, you know, people seeing that it failed a clinical trial, they're going to overreact a little bit, and then hopefully that price is going to go up. As you can tell from the other indicators here, that RSI is down pretty low, down below that 30, and now it's just hovering at that 30 mark, so still pretty undervalued. And you know, in a couple weeks here, once everybody stops over exaggerating or overreacting to the failed clinical trial, I could see it boosting up. If you guys are a little curious on where we think this is going to go, so if you look at the experts here, they're thinking around an average of about $10.40 is where this should be hanging around. You can tell right now it's around that $4 mark that we saw in that last slide there. So, and that little dip from the failed clinical trial really just shows where it is. It was holding steady even around that $6 mark if you're looking to make $2 off of $4. So that's still a really solid gain. All right guys, so our next stock we got is BRIA here, ticker symbol up there in that top left hand corner, NBRV. And this is a biopharmaceutical company. So 2 pharmaceutical companies, you can tell both of these are going to have pretty similar patterns. This one just had their most recent FDA approval date actually pushed back, and as it was getting announced that it was going to get published here, the stock just started to rise up a lot, got a lot of hype, and then as soon as it got pushed back to later in June, you saw it really tank there, and you could really see by the metrics down there that is went down significantly from that. So once the FDA approval date comes into swing, you expect things to go right back up because nothing really changed about it, and it should be getting passed here real soon. And now moving on to what the experts think of this stock. So right now sitting around 77 cents. I personally got in around that 74 cents mark. That's on a little bit of an uptrend here, but coming down. And the experts thinking around 175 on that average and a low end of that $1. So either way, gonna make about 25 to $1.25 on that if they are correct. Now the last stock we're gonna talk about is EVFM. Ticker symbol EVFM. This last stock of the day just recently announced it's going to offer out 28.5 million shares at $3.50. And that's really what caused this huge drop to come down, and the price is already down to $3.30. And a huge dip on both of the metrics here. It's going to be a great buy as things start to heat back up and people start to invest back in while it's low. This is just a really great company with extreme high volatility. It's going to go up and down kind of like a roller coaster. And this stock has one of the highest upsides according to the experts, predicting a price average of $14.50 per share, and on the low end $7. So still looking to double your money if it's on the lower end, and almost quadruple your money, 300% plus if it goes up to that average price. Well, I'm glad you guys made it through these 3 stocks that I got for you. Again, always do your research. I'm just throwing out little bits and pieces, little facts on there, but not going too much in detail. I want to keep this pretty friendly to about everybody out there. So if you did enjoy, make sure to smash that thumbs up button. And if you guys aren't following me on TikTok, I post daily stocks for you. Make sure to follow it at Easy Stocks. I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Peace out.